it's Sandy. Welcome back to CutePolish. In today's nail tutorial, Hannah will be sharing 5 cute and easy Dotticure nail designs. All you need to do for these designs is create dots with either dotting tools or toothpicks. Let us know down in the comments which one of these 5 designs is your favorite.
Hi, it's Hannah, so why don't we get started on these designs? Before anything else, apply a base coat to help protect your nails. I'll be showing you a dotted outline design first, using white, pink, yellow, and blue polish with white as the base color. Use a dotting tool to apply pink dots outlining the nail. I'm going to apply 1 dot, then count a space for 2 dots, then apply another dot so that there will be enough room for the other colors. Now apply the yellow dots next to the pink. And finish with the blue. Use a brush and remover to clean up around the nail. For the second design, I'll be showing you some pop art dots using purple, white, and black polish with purple as the base color. Use the black polish to apply polka dots to the nail. Then apply white dots over the black dots but slightly to the side. Use a brush and remover to clean up around the nail. Next up, we have a dotted fall design using dark blue and silver polish with the blue as the base color. Start by applying 3 larger dots at the base of the nail. Then add 3 more slightly smaller ones above. Add another smaller row of dots, and for the last smallest row, you can use a toothpick. Now I'll be doing a rainbow dot design using black, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple polish with black as the base color. Start with a red dot at the base of the nail, then apply the rest of the colors in the proper rainbow order, going directly down the middle of the nail. The last design is for some ombre dots using white and 3 shades of pink polish with white as the base color. Use a dotting tool or toothpick to apply small random dots of the darkest pink polish to the base of the nail. Do the same for the other pink polishes, making sure the lightest one is applied at the end. And finally, apply a fast drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing these 5 easy Dotticures. For more videos on CutePolish, click these boxes and click this circle to subscribe to CutePolish for a new video every Monday. If you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, click this circle here. Thanks for watching. Bye!